The purpose of the charity game was to raise money for a certain charity which was picked by the winning team. We sold tickets, so you had to pay to get in, but besides that we had a bake sale. A lot of the hockey parents and players donated baked goods to sell, and we also had some other food donated by the Key Club. And we sold t-shirts which were made by Key Club but sold by the Key Club and the players.
The halftime game, we decided to do a half-court shot so that what we would raffle off is the visitor parking spot, and ended up being Tony Shigwanga who won.
The women's basketball team won at a buzzer beater, and they chose the Special Olympics because one of the girls in the team, Emma Kill, her sister has Down syndrome and is on a Special Olympics team, so they chose to give their money to that team.
Yeah, the game was a big success. I definitthink we should do it next year.